Way.
Good evening to all the respected dignitaries, parents, and my dear batchmates. When we joined this college, we thought the hardest part would be medicine. We were wrong. The hardest part was growing up. Between early morning lectures, sleepless nights before exams, ward rounds that never seemed to end, and friendships built over chai, canteen food, and shared panic, we changed, quietly, without realizing it. This college gave us more than degrees. It gave us friendships that felt like family, teachers who shaped not just our knowledge but our character, and memories we'll carry long after the white coat fades. We learned medicine in classroom and wards, but we learned life in hostels, corridors, night duties, and those moments when we questioned ourselves and found strength in each other. Today, as I stand here in this gown, holding a degree in my hands, I know this success is not mine alone. My father's hard work was never announced, never applauded, never posted, but it built a stage on which I stand today. There were days he chose responsibility over rest, worries over sleep, and our future over his present. The world may not always recognize his sacrifices, but I carry them in my every achievement. As a child, I used to think I would grow up to become like my father. Then I realized no one can be like a god. Love you, Dad. Dear Mom, I am so happy that I have such an incredible and strong mother like you. You have taught me kindness, self confidence, and to always believe in myself. These lessons have crafted and molded me in person that I am today and the person I am becoming. What you have gone through to raise me is beyond what I will ever know. Thank you for what you have done and continue to do. Love you, Mom. To my friends, thank you for being my support system when everything felt overwhelming. You were my laughter in stressful times and my strength in moment of doubt. Call me when you just need someone to talk to. Invite me to your weddings and baby showers. Always know that you have a friend in me. Well, I belong to one of the best batches in this college has ever produced. Batch Adhirath. It's a batch where excellence isn't a goal, it's habit. Isn't It's not just a batch, a legacy of all-round brilliance, and I'm proud to represent them. Today, as we graduate, we leave behind familiar hallways, familiar faces, and a version of ourselves that live entirely within these walls, and it's bittersweet. As I step into the future as a doctor, I see myself not just treating diseases but also treating patient honestly, patiently, with integrity, empathy, and compassion. I hope to be the kind of doctor who listens patiently, serves honestly, keeps learning constantly, and never forgets the responsibility that comes with it. As we move forward, we carry the spirit of this college with us, the resilience, the friendships, the humility, and the pride of belonging here. Because no matter where medicine takes us, this place will always be where we become. Dream big, dare to dream, because everything is possible. Don't let anybody take the dream away from you. It doesn't matter where you come from. The more difficulties and challenges you have, the stronger you become. And don't let anybody take away that dream from you. Nurture it. Even if you find one person who will accept, embrace, and support your dreams, find that person. And dare to dream big because you can make it. At last, all I want to say is talent is God given, be humble. Fame is man given, be thankful. Concentration is self given, be very, very careful. Motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent. Nobody is perfect in this world of medicine. You have to keep learning and move forward. All fame reaches God. God is great. Thank you, guys.